I didn't do this one yet. Hey, Dory, you better calm down. Hold on. It's giving you want a little 1-2 session this morning. It's too early to be turning up like that. Hey. Oh, that's why. I'm like, okay, so I got another braid. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me? That's ridiculous. Oh, my little ponytail which you put in if you don't know how to braid for your quick leave. Can y'all see it? Don't laugh if y'all can. Help me fix it. Hold on. It's like right here. Can y'all see it? Need a little pick me up, honey. I hope you can't see it. But if you can. Oh well. It's the front cute. That's all that matters. The back has nothing to do with me. Oh, we didn't spray. Hey, who are you yelling at? I'll see y'all later.